Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Shopify store international, step by step. First, let's lay the groundwork for your global expansion. Begin by identifying the specific countries or regions you want to target. Then, activate Shopify payments in your admin settings. This is crucial for handling various currencies. Finally, use Shopify markets to create and manage these distinct international markets, tailoring your approach for each one. Next, we'll focus on localizing your store's content and pricing. Utilize Shopify's language settings to add the languages relevant to your target markets. Ensure all your product descriptions, pages, and navigation are accurately translated. Crucially, set up local currencies within Shopify payments so customers see prices in their native currency, which can significantly boost conversion rates. Managing international shipping and taxes is vital for a smooth customer experience. Establish clear shipping zones and rates for every country you serve. Research and apply the correct local tax regulations, like value-added tax or goods and services tax, for each region. For more intricate scenarios, especially with duties and import taxes, explore third-party apps that can automate these calculations at checkout. Finally, let's talk about reaching and serving your international customers effectively. Optimize your store's search engine optimization for global markets by using relevant keywords and Hreflang tags. Create marketing campaigns tailored to cultural nuances and preferences in each region. And remember, efficient order fulfillment and reliable international shipping are key to building trust and ensuring customer satisfaction worldwide.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.